let's talk about some abbreviations related to special senses. So, we're going to talk about some abbreviations that are extremely common and pertain to the eyes. So, the first up is the abbreviation OS, which stands for the left eye, followed by the abbreviation OD, which stands for the right eye, and the abbreviation OU, which stands for both eyes. Okay, so if you look at this, you're going to notice between this section of abbreviations and the next that there are some commonalities, but I would recommend spending a lot of time memorizing these particular abbreviations. I did not put as many abbreviations in this unit as I normally do, but the 6 that you are looking at are extremely important and used all of the time in medical documentation. So really taking a moment to make sure you understand the difference between OS, OD, and OU. And our next set of abbreviations is critically important. If you're going to be in healthcare, these are used constantly in the abbreviation form. Okay, next up is the ear abbreviations. So AS, you will see that the first letter is a little different, but the second letter S is the same as one we saw on the last slide. And that stands for the left ear. AD, so again, the D is kind of repeated, which is the right ear. And AU, that U portion, right, stands for both ears. So again, and anytime you're in healthcare, these 6 abbreviations are extremely critical. They are used all of the time. So make sure you really take some time to flashcard these, understand these, memorize these, put these into your long-term memory because you will be constantly seeing them. Thank you for joining us with Unit 16 and our final unit in our medical terminology course.